Hello, hope you're doing good. This is Meg, and I'm here today to make your day with a fascinating topic to discuss with a great business consultant who always bring out innovative ideas, Mr. Amer Qureshi. Hello, Amer.
Hello, how are you?
I'm doing good. How about you? How's your
Good,
day
good.
going?
It's good. It's nice that the weather is warming up here in Islamabad these days. So yeah, I'm enjoying the warmer weather.
Yeah, that's great. Well, Amer, I have been obsessed with one of the topics, so I thought to bring you in this video to have a discussion about it, that how AI is transforming the businesses, like it has been playing a role as a game changer for businesses. Why is AI becoming a game changer, and what do you think about it?
Well, I suppose AI and digital transformation as well, along with that, is giving businesses the opportunity to automate routine tasks, things that used to take a long time to do, things which required a lot of manual efforts. As many of those can now be done very, very quickly uh, through AI or digital processes, etc. These are things that didn't exist some time ago. So it's a great opportunity for businesses to become more efficient and to be able to do simple tasks, menial tasks, as well as more complex tasks in a much more efficient and better way than perhaps they were doing before.
Yeah, I get it. Although I've seen that businesses are largely been incorporating AI tools into their business strategy and operations. What do you think about the industries that are most affected by AI-driven transformation?
Well, AI is sort of impacting virtually every industry across the board, and it has opportunities. Actually, if you look at it, there's two ways of looking at AI. Some people are seeing it as a threat. People are concerned that they may lose their jobs. On the other hand, many organizations see this as an opportunity to become more efficient, add more value to their customers, and so on. Virtually every industry can benefit from the new technologies that are coming through, whether it's in the healthcare sector, whether it's the accounting and finance area. All industries have opportunity to get more efficiency into their processes through the use of technology and AI. So yes, virtually every industry is going to be reshaped, remodeled as a result of this technology.
I get it. And what about its impacts on job displacement? And should the businesses fear about replacement of jobs through AI? Or what is your idea about this? Because I fear that the tasks that used to be performed by humans earlier are now being transformed by AI. So how can it impact the employment in businesses?
Now this is the $1 million or $1 billion question. AI is definitely having an impact on the jobs, and it would be too simplistic or naive to say that it's not going to affect. It's going to affect each and every one of us. The only thing is, though, that it doesn't have to lead to people losing their jobs. You need to upskill yourself. You need to work with this technology because there is no other way. And you need to upskill yourself. You need to learn the new skills and tools, and then you'll actually be able to do your job much better. Now, industries where it's going to have the biggest impact, for example, in the accounting and finance industry, a lot of the manual work and the manual processes are going to be eliminated. They already have been to a large extent. So if I give you some practical examples, you know, in many accounting firms or in many companies, people are sitting there and their job is to match invoices with purchase orders and see if everything matches up and then give it a big tick, and then it goes to the next level and somebody checks it again and then it goes for signatures, etc. All of that stuff can now be automated. There's automatic matching of invoices with purchase orders. Approvals can be automated. Everything is done in a matter of seconds. So those roles are going to eventually disappear. But it's up to the professionals who are working with this technology, rather than opposing it or trying to fight it. They actually have to learn to utilize it and upskill themselves so that they can actually do a better job for their employer, for their organizations, rather than fearing the new technology, which is not the best way to go.
Exactly. So you talked about upskilling. I would like to know about the ways that businesses should integrate AI into this. Like, what could be the ways businesses should adopt to integrate AI into their strategy? Because I don't think that there is a survival possible without integration of AI into the operations of our day-to-day activities in businesses.
Yes, and I think the key point here that you've touched on is businesses need an AI strategy. They need to look at the business as a whole holistically and figure out where AI can add the most value. Then they need to develop a proper change management program to implement and embed this technology into the organization. Without a well thought out strategy, without an implementation plan, without an action plan, these things will not happen because people, by their very nature, will resist the change and they will delay it. They will not want to do it. They will not sort of learn the new things. So the organization has to adopt both a carrot and stick approach. Firstly, it needs an overall strategy. And then in addition to that, it needs to have an action plan and basically encourage and push at the same time people towards adopting this new technology. But let's not misunderstand one thing. This is a major change and major shift for most people working in organizations. So any change is difficult, and this is not going to be easy for organizations. So they do need to invest time in developing change management strategies, training their people, and of course, reassuring them as well that they're not necessarily going to be losing their jobs, and they should adopt this new technology and new way of doing things.
Thank you so much, like always, Amer, for sharing your valuable opinion with us. And also, I'm grateful to the viewers for giving us a chunk of their special time. Hope to see you again with some new topic to discuss and also to explore more about AI. Have a good day.
Thank you.